Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to show you how to make mint rice in instant pot. The mint is from our garden. So let's start by plucking the mint from the garden. This is a mint tree, so I am going to pluck it. The mint is ready and it is about 1 cup. So now let's pluck the green chilies. We may require 4 to 5 green chilies. Take the instant pot and put them in saute mode and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. So once the oil is hot, we can add all the masala ingredients. So initially I am adding the shajira and later on cinnamon. All these ingredients together one by one I am adding. And bay leaves. Now I will add onions, chopped onions. Saute the onions until they become brown. Now I am going to add the chilies, green chilies. 4 to 5 green chilies I am adding here. The fresh green chilies. In a blender, I am adding the ginger, garlic, and also washed mint leaves, freshly chopped mint leaves. So the blended mixture is like this. I could have taken little more mint, but I wanted to keep some leaves on the plant. We need to saute it nicely in the oil for some more time. And meanwhile, I also chopped, not chopped, blended tomato puree. So both together we need to saute it nicely until the oil separates out. Here I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice. We can also take regular rice. So I wash them. For basmati rice I am adding little less water and then I am mixing them all together with the mixture. Here I am going to add 2 tablespoons of salt and also little bit of chili powder. Check the taste and then you can add whatever you want and then close the lid, the instant pot. Now I am selecting the option of rice in the instant pot. So within 12 to 15 minutes rice will be cooked. So after the rice is done, I am going to release the pressure by itself. So the rice is ready, and mix it well and serve it hot. It is so delicious. You can also serve it with curd chutney. Thank you, and it is so yummy and healthy too. Try it out and let me know in the comment section below how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe.